Hi, I'm Seng. So today I'll show you how to collect the feedback from your customer and give the reward for those who give you the feedback towards your business. Thank you. After you do the payment, then normally we'll give the receipt to the customer, and your customer can scan this QR code at the bottom of your receipt. Then they can get the feedback for your restaurant. Log into your FeedMe portal, then click on the feedback to know your total feedback and your average rating. So here it shows that which customer has put the review on which outlet, and there's a review and when they submitted. So when you click it, it shows your profile and the review. Then if you want to give the reward on the feedback, click on the marketing, then click feedback. So from here you can design your feedback reward. Just click reward, which means that when the customer give the feedback, then you can give them the reward immediately. So let's say you can put on the name, such as, so you can put in your description. Furthermore, you also can select the design also. Then you can set your usage type, either it's used for single or multiple use. Then you can select effects such as your bill discount, your item discount, or other combo. So in this case, I put as bill discount. Just click next. So I can put the amount, which is 3 ringgit discount, and you can set on your minimum spending. After that, just click next. So you can select your availability. Is it either for online ordering, or you can set your custom period, or you can set valid for 30 days. Then you can select which restaurant. After you give the review, then they will give the reward. After that, just click save. So once the customer gives the feedback, then you will give up the feedback reward to the customers. If the customer is not the member, then they will request to sign up as a member first. Or you also can click delete it. So for example, if the customer got an account and download the FeedMe apps, then you will activate the FeedMe apps and you can share your experience by login or confirm your account. Then you can put your review. You also can attach with the photo, just click submit. Then it will show it immediately at here. Customer can check their voucher via download apps, the FeedMe apps. Go to me, log in your account and select the voucher. Here will list out all of the voucher. Then you can click it and just click use voucher and show the QR code to the cashier. That's all for today. Thank you.
Cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find post, find Aseng. 找 post system, 找 Aseng.